We don't have to say, when you come to Godrej, you only see a big campus with a lot of gardens, a lot of lush green, a lot of trees. It's very rare to find in the cities like Bombay nowadays. So who can object that? Because I can guarantee you, in Bombay city, I've never seen a campus like this.
In terms of the various initiatives from Godrej and their effort towards ensuring a green environment in and around the premises, we all know and research has proved that when you are closer to the natural surroundings, your productivity tends to go at least by 10 to 15% more than normal. And I think with Godrej, it clearly speaks the way they have been managing the place and the way it has impacted, and the way Godrej takes pride and ensuring the beauty of the place.
It's really nice to have such open spaces, which is something very rare in Mumbai. You have just buildings and you don't have any open spaces except for some car parks.
There's a lot of greenery, as I mentioned earlier also, which makes the environment good. If you go down in the afternoon, you'll see a lot of people taking a walk in the campus after their meal. So it's a good environment, it's a comfortable environment. People feel at ease when they're working here.
We have visitors coming in from all over the world, and when they come in, we try to get them up to the terrace. And everybody is absolutely fascinated by the green space that we have up on the terrace and the ability of companies that are with Godrej in their community to use that facility.
We do appreciate the greenery and the ability for our employees to walk, to take in nature.